Hello guys, so yesterday I did a little bit of shopping. I went to Westfield in London. I had Bugsy with me though. So this video, I thought I would do a haul, but this video I haven't actually tried on any of the clothes. So it's gonna kind of like be a like online style like haul slash fail, because some of the stuff might be terrible and I'll have to take it back. But little one, I had like a good like set of time when she was asleep, and I was like, I don't want to take her into a changing room, she'll probably wake up and whatever. So yeah, I bought a load of stuff without trying it on, basically. And I'm going to show you what I got. Let's start off with Zara. I also got a few things for little one, which I'm going to include in this video because they're super cute. I got two things from Zara. I actually, I'm hoping these fit. Because Zara can be a bit hit and miss with their sizing. But the first thing I got, they're both dresses, is this, and I absolutely love it. I think it's so pretty. It's like a folky style dress. The one thing I'm slightly concerned about this is the colour. Like, it might be a bit kind of wishy-washy on the skin, but it's this kind of like pale pink, nudie coloured. It's like a cottony kind of fabric. It's got these folky kind of embroidered flowers on the sleeves. I really like this as well because if you look at the detail, there's actually like metallic thread in there. It's like slightly golden, which makes it look a little bit more kind of luxe. It's got a deep V-neck, buttons all the way down the front, which are currently undone, but they are there. And then it has like tie bits at the waist. So I'm going to try this on and let's see what we think. This actually fits pretty well, but it's just not a good look. I feel like a milkmaid. It's also a little bit too booby for my liking. You can kind of see my bra there as well. And it's just not, I don't think it's a very flattering shape. I mean, it makes my boobs look big, but apart from that, it's just not a good look. Not a good look. I think it's the colour as well. I think I was right about the colour. So yeah, this one is going back. On another note, the embroidery is really pretty. If it was just the sleeves, it would be good. But yeah, it makes me look like I died. Next up is another dress, and this is another kind of midi length dress. A little bit more like girly, but I really like this because I love the print and the fabric. It actually reminds me of some of the dresses that they do in the couples this season and last season, which are currently on sale. But those ones are like 300 quid. So I thought, I'm gonna try this because it's a very similar kind of vibe, but it was £40 instead of £300, which is always a bonus. It has these kind of like floaty little sleeves, which I like. It's like a black background, floral print, little gold buttons on the front. I also like that it's V-neck at the front, and then it has the V at the back as well. It's got a zip up the back, and then it's like a little kind of, is it a tea dress? Feels like a very ladylike dress. Anyway, let's try it on and see. I'm hoping this fits because I actually really like it. I think it would look cool as well, style with like biker boots and a leather jacket. So it's like that girly mixed with kind of bikery style. But yeah, like that a lot. Okay, so I actually really like this. I love the cut of it. I love the fabric. It feels really kind of premium. It's really like soft, nice fabric. I think the cut is very flattering, but it doesn't do up over my ribs. So it's like, I mean, it definitely wouldn't even do up, I don't think. So I think I need to go for a medium. But yeah, what do you guys think? Should I exchange it for medium or should I just leave it? I really like it. And like I said, I think it would look cool kind of done up a bit more like boyishly with like a biker jacket and boots. But yeah, the length comes up, if you're going to be able to see. It's like a long midi. It's supposed to be like a midi, but I'm quite short, so yeah. I like this, but it doesn't fit. Damn it. And then also from Zara, I got a few baby things. These are so ridiculously cute. I love Zara Baby. The first thing I found with these, which I was so excited about, they actually don't make them in, I wanted them in 9 to 12 months, so they'd fit her kind of coming into winter, but they didn't make them in that size. So I got the 6 to 9 months for now. They're these little super cute, soft little bloomers. They actually are very, very stretchy, and she does have some like this that came with a dress from Bon Point, which I got, and they are in 3 to 6 months, and she's still in them at 7 months. So I feel like these hopefully will fit her for a little bit longer, but aren't they so cute? I just thought they'd be very, very useful. I've got lots of little kind of detailed tops for her in her wardrobe, and I find in this heat They're really easy to pair with leggings, but obviously you don't want to put her in leggings in this heat, so it's kind of one of those things that she hasn't really been able to wear them, and when I found these I was like, that'll be perfect for going underneath them. Super cute. And then I got her 2 tops in 9 to 12, so they're a little bit bigger, but this one, which is a really gorgeous blue shirt with like a ruffle detail around the edge, and it's got pink stitching on the little wooden buttons, which I just thought was very cute. Super cool. And then I also got this little shirt onesie. It's like has the attached bottom. She actually had one very similar to this when she was a newborn, which was like a baby pink, which she wore loads. It's gorgeous. I like this as well because I think coming into autumn winter, if it's warm, we also don't know what the weather's going to be like, but if it's warm you can layer it up, put something underneath it. I mean, if it's warm you can not do that. If it's cold you can layer it up and put like a long sleeve vest underneath it, and then it'll be nice and cozy. So yeah, that's what I got her from Zara. I also popped into a kiddie store called a children's clothing store called Jacadie, which is a French brand. It was actually closing down. I've never been in there before, but I popped in and I got this, which is a Liberty print blouse. I actually got 12 to 18 months, so it's for next kind of winter spring, and I just thought it was super cute. It was like 50% off, and I thought it was very sweet. So she also got that. That's all the baby stuff. Then I popped into Topshop. I'm hoping this stuff is going to be good. If you guys saw, I haven't actually uploaded anything onto Instagram, IGTV, since I did the first couple of things. I don't know why. I just haven't found myself particularly using it. So I haven't uploaded anything. However, if you did see my mini Primark haul on there a couple of months ago, you'll have seen that I picked up a dress. I'm gonna actually just get it because it's right here. I picked up this dress from Primark. As you can see, pretty much identical print. Well, not exactly identical, slightly different stripes, but very, very similar. I got this from Primark. I bought it without trying it on, and it actually doesn't really fit. So I'm gonna give it to my sister if she wants it. It's a size 10, but it definitely comes up like a size 8. So, and it's a shirt dress. So I feel like that will probably fit my sister if she wants it. Hannah, if you're watching this, do you want this? I need to give it to her. So that doesn't really fit. So I got this from Topshop. Again, maybe I'm cursed and it's not going to fit either, but I really like this. I actually like the shape a bit more. It's like a drawstring shirt dress, shorter sleeves. It's got like bat wing sleeves. This will go back if it doesn't fit, unlike the Primark one, because I think it was £15 and I haven't been back to a Primark, and now it's the returns is expired. So also this is a bit more expensive, so this will go back if it doesn't fit, but I really liked the stripy yellow. Let's try it on, let's see. Okay, so it looks like I just need to give up with the stripy yellow print, because this thing is not a good look. Like the bat wing, I just think it's really unflattering. Definitely going back. I just need to give up with the yellow stripes. Next up from Topshop is this shirt, which again, I'm really hoping it fits because I love the layered vibe. It's very, very white, so it's kind of like blowing out the thing. But look at this, isn't it cute? It's got almost like peplum style kind of waistline with a double layered, so it's like a v-neck, and then it's got the tie front. In the front it's got kind of bell shaped or like flared sleeves. It's £29. Hope this fits because I really, really like it. This is actually so different on to what I was expecting, because it has this like asymmetrical hemline on the front, and these jeans, I think I need some slightly higher waisted jeans because you can see like this bit shows my belly and I'm not into that. But I do actually really like it. I think it's really unusual. I think it's, I don't know, I like the tie. I think that's kind of a cool detail. I like the level that the neckline comes down to. The sleeves are really like easy and pretty. I like it because it's white as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this. It's quite good actually for £29. I think it's quite like premium looking shirt. Definitely needs an iron or a steam because it's a little bit wrinkled from the bag, but actually I really like this. Next up, oh, finally from Topshop, I bought a new pleated skirt. I really wanted a more like colour neutral pleated skirt because my two midi pleated skirts that I've got at the moment, one of them's silver and the other one is leopard print, and they're very, very garish. Like you can't wear, not garish, they're nice, but like you can't really wear a print with it as such. And I saw this and I thought this would be really good. This is cream and black, kind of like colour block, but obviously monochrome block skirt from Topshop. It has a shorter like slip underneath it, so the bottom part is sheer. We'll see. Let's try this on and have a little look. Okay, so last but not least, this is the skirt. I actually really like this. It's different to how I was expecting. Ignore the shirt because it does not go with the shirt that I have on. But it's after me saying I wanted something a little bit more subtle. It's actually very, very statement. But I do really like it. It's a little bit long, and I have to say, the sizing is super generous. I got a size 10, and this is like, it's big. And normally with these kind of pleated skirts, I find that the waistband, because it's elasticated at the back, I find that sometimes the waistband can be quite tight and therefore be kind of unflattering because it like pulls you in and then the pleats kind of go out. But this is actually the opposite because it's very, very loose. I really like it. I like the black tie at the front. There's something kind of like quite graphic about it. Like it's quite bold, but I do really like it. It's like boring from the back, party in the front. Yeah, no, I really like this. Definitely gonna keep it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? And then last but not least, I also got something from Massimo Dutti. I only got one thing from there. It's not somewhere I really shop in that often, but I saw this from the door. It wasn't like in the window, but it was at the front of the store, and I really liked it. It's a black and white spotted, it's like cube spots shirt, and I really like it because it's got this beautiful like low V-neck, but then the sleeves have a really pretty tie detail on them. I just thought it was really nice. Looked nice with jeans or a skirt or whatever you want to wear it with. I thought it was pretty anyway. This is a little bit more expensive. It was £60, but it's really nice, and I thought it would look nice, so let's try that on as well. I actually really like this. I've got it on with my rag and bone jeans. It's really comfy. The one thing I would say is it comes up quite high on the arms. Like this bit of the arm is a little tighter than a lot of the shirts I have, but I actually think it looks nice, and I like how it doesn't have a collar as well. It's nice for wearing little like V-neck necklaces with. Love, love, love the cuffs, the bow cuffs. I think it would look better when it's ironed as well. They'd be a little bit more like voluminous. Yeah, this one's a keeper. Really like this. That is it for my haul video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.